Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to insert images with borders and drop shadows in Google Docs. So let's get started. So if you are trying to insert an image with borders and shadows, now to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply open up your Chrome browser or any other browser that you have, and after opening up your browser, now in search bar you can search for docs.google.com. After searching for docs.google.com, now you'll come up to this website where you just have to log into your account. So just make sure that you have logged into your account, and after logging into your account, now in order to insert an image, what you have to do is just simply select a project in which you want to insert your image in, or you can just create a new one. And after doing that, now in the top left corner you will find insert option. So what you can do is just simply tap on insert, and after tapping on insert, now we are trying to insert the image, so just simply tap on image, and after tapping on that, now you'll find a bunch of options. So you can export your image from your computer, or you can search an image in web, or you can just export it through your driver, photos, by URL or camera. So just simply select any one of this option. I'll just simply tap on search with web, and after tapping on search with web, just tap on got it, and from here you can search for images. So in the top, if you'll just take your cursor to there and then type in any image that you want, and after typing in, just simply tap on enter, then you will find all the images related to that. So now what you can do is just simply select the image that you want to add and then tap on insert. And after tapping on insert, here you can see guys, the image has been successfully added. So now what you have to do is just simply tap on format, which you can find over here. Just tap on it, and here you will find borders and lines option. Just tap on borders and lines, and now you can add a border. So you can add a border of the following pixels. So you can add 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 3 pixel, any weight that you want. So I'll just simply type in 4, and here you can see guys, the shadow has been added. Now if you want to add border, then again tap on format, and then again tap on borders, and here you will find border dash. So what you can do is just simply select a type of dash that you like to add. So after selecting one, now you just have to tap on save. So just simply type in Ctrl S, and after tapping Ctrl S, now you have successfully saved this project. So that's it guys, this is how to insert images with borders and drop shadow in Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.